In PHP, actually, in PHP, um, um, if you want to hide the errors that you have in your code, you can do it with this. With this, if you put the heart and anything that you put in front of it will be ignored, the error will be ignored. Even if you have error in your code, it will ignore it. But actually, you can do this too in Java. Yes, if you want to do it in Java, actually, as I'm writing this and data JHS, it's showing me something like typo error. So if you want to suppress any type of typo error or something like duplicated code and stuff like that, here's a way you can do this kind of things. We just say at suppress, as suppress warnings. This annotation is used to suppress any type of warning. Maybe it is duplicated code warning, maybe it is typo code warning, a sort of different code warning, but the issue is that it will not suppress the real error code warning, which is maybe syntax error. And that's very good because if it suppresses syntax error, then our code will have a lot of issue. And so with this, you can suppress some errors that is not valuable. So, and it's taking an argument, which is you put the argument, then you put all. So with this now, you see the typo error have gone, no error anymore, and everything is fine. So with this, you can suppress any type of error warning that you are seeing in your Java code, just like other program used to do. Thank you.